guys! Happy Tuesday!
This is the volleyball. No, oh yeah, no.
Nice weather!
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah!
gosh, yeah, I already know.
But still cold.
I don't care. I feel warm.
At least na adlaw guys.
I feel warm, not cold. I'm not cold.
Sabak ay mga
My glasses is sticking. Not cold.
Naho kayong kahoy guys. Yay! That's all guys. Happy Tuesday. Bye-bye you.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Thank you for watching.